Hello, grade sixes. Today we will be speaking about Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo Galilei. This is History, grade 6, lesson 15 and 16. First, we will take a look at Leonardo da Vinci. Take note, my dear reader, if you enjoy my work, because perseverance to continue and to invent such things are meant for few. And come, O human, come see what wonders can be discovered in nature through study. Not humble at all. This quote is one of many notes Leonardo da Vinci left for the world. You see, he probably had more reason than you and me to blow his own trumpet. Not only was he a master painter, he was also a sculptor, musician, poet, architect, scientist, engineer, and inventor of note. He drew and wrote about plants and animals, rock formations, Italian and Latin grammar, the human body, cannons, flying machines, submarines, movable bridges, chariots, and warcrafts. He knew about it and excelled at everything in his time. Leonardo was born on 15 April 1452 in the Italian town of Vinci in the charming Tuscan countryside. His father, a lawyer named Ser Perio, taught Leonardo to read and write and made sure he knew something about grammar and mathematics. He was an especially good-looking child and was interested in nature from an early age. Simple natural phenomena like a flower blossoming or a bird flying was a miracle to him. He made it his life work to investigate the how and the why of nature. Leonardo was so fond of animals that he became a vegetarian. When he saw caged birds for sale, he would buy them just so that he could set them free. His father took him to Florence around 1469 and he became an apprentice in the workshop of Andrea del Verrocchio, respected craftsman, goldsmith, sculptor, and painter. In order to draw the bodies of their figures as lifelike as possible, Verrocchio and da Vinci studied the muscles of dissected corpses. After 6 years, Leonardo could paint in every medium and he was well versed in all the secrets of the art of painting. His use of color and perspective was so good that he soon surpassed his master. When Verrocchio allowed him to complete a kneeling angel in a painting he was working on, Leonardo reached such depth and dynamics that Verrocchio apparently never picked up a paintbrush again. Next, we take a look at Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei was an Italian physicist, a mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who played an important role in the scientific revolution. His achievements included the telescope and the resulting astronomical observations. Galileo is referred to as the father of modern observational astronomy, the father of modern physics, and the father of modern science. According to the British theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking, Galileo, perhaps more than any other single person, was responsible for the birth of modern science. Galileo was also one of the scientists who laid the foundation for kinetics, also known as the science of movement or the study of movement. His contribution to astronomy included the telescopic confirmation of the phases of Venus and the observation and analysis of sunspots. Galileo also contributed to applied science in technology and helped improve the design of the compass. And this then concludes our lesson in history for the grade 6s on Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo Galilei.